What's up traders? Today I'm breaking down the exact strategy that scored me 73% profit in just one trade. No fluff, no guesswork, just three powerful confirmations. An EMA crossover, hidden divergence of stochastic indicator, and a drop-based drop pattern. First I will add some sell orders. My broker leverage is 500, so I can't open a lot of sell orders in here. The first confirmation here is a stochastic hidden divergence. You can see prices making higher low and divergence making higher high. And also here is a drop-based drop pattern. After initial drop, price readily making consolidation. So if price break the consolidation, it will go down. Now I'm adding trend lines to figure out, spot the drop-based drop pattern, so I can find the breakout here. After the breakout, the price will go down. The third confirmation, I'm using EMA crossover. The EMA is 50 EMA and the 100 EMA. It's also indicating that the bearish market. Alone, these signals are good, but together they are lethal. The EMA crossover set the direction, hidden divergent confirmed momentum, and drop-based drop gave the entry trigger. This triple confirmation slashes guesswork and boosts confidence.